Hello everybody, we're at the Camp Fannin World War II memorial area out here by the hospital, right off of 271 and 155. And this little area is dedicated to the men who gave their lives in World War II. And all these little benches were donated in remembrance of these guys. Every bench donated. United States Coast Guard. United States Navy. You are our heroes. 1943, 1946. Given by the Ladies Auxiliary of the Camp Fannin Association. Dedicated November the 9th, 2013. This is a little area for people who lost loved ones during the war. They can come out here and remember them. There's the Army. You sit on these little benches here. Maybe one that's a little bit cooler. Bring themselves a little photo booklet with pictures of their ancestors that gave their lives. Every time you pass by a veteran, and they'll usually be wearing a hat, and it'll say World War II veteran or Vietnam veteran or any number of different ones, battles we've been in, from the Iraq wars to whatever. And just stretch your hand out there and say thank you for your service. Now, just because somebody's wearing camouflage doesn't mean they're a veteran. I made that mistake. Stuck my hand out there, shake this guy's hand. I said, thank you, sir, for your services to the United States. He says, I'm not a veteran. I'm just going deer hunting. Talking about somebody feeling like an idiot. So I make sure they're wearing something that has some sort of patch or something that says something about a war before I go over and shake their hand. Anyway, this is it. And they got a little statue. One guy. This is a bronze statue. Doesn't have no mark or anything. It's not of any certain soldier. Just one soldier representing all the soldiers. Had to go crush the head of Hitler. And of course, the armies of Hitler were defeated. As been said, and I believe it, a lot of these migrated over to Argentina in South America. They found a lot of proof of that. They've also shown proof that Hitler made it over there as well, but later died, of course, old age. That's okay. The Almighty will get him on Judgment Day. Anyway, just a big old circle with a big gigantic star in the middle of it, which I don't really care for. I'm not going to get into that. Anyway, it's a star, 5-pointed star. Anyway, if you're ever around this area, stop by here and pay your honor to the United States military. Just remember what they did for you and your freedoms that you enjoy every day here in the United States. Thank y'all for watching. I appreciate you.